fuck up this.
It's tails.
This is the coin.
It's tails. What do you guys?
Welcome everybody to the first ever playoff game of the SSFL. This is the SSFL championship game, the first of the two championship games before the Powerball. Whoever wins these two playoff games will go to the Powerball. It's going to be first down bolts, and it's going to be caught by Dan, and he's going to get past the defender for a touchdown. Bolts. Julian can't drop it. Julian is the newest signee for the Knights. They have to fill in for the Bolts because no Bolts player can show up to their games. And he's going to be caught by James, and he is going to get past Julian. Can he get past Daniel? He's going to get past Daniel, and it's going to be a kickoff return for a touchdown for the Strikers. 2-point attempt. Can the Strikers get a lead? And yes, they can. 2-point attempt is good for the Strikers.
Yeah.
Strikers have been the best team in the league. They are undefeated. Kicking things off for the Bolts.
Get it. Touchback, touchback.
And that is going to be a touchback, so
He's going for it.
they cannot run it. So they're going to have to go back to where the ball will be after a touchback. So it's going to be first down, Bolts. And it's going to be caught by Dan, and he gets the first down, and he can't get past James. First and goal, Bolts. And it's going to be caught by Julian. Touchdown, Bolts. First touchdown of Julian's SSFL career, and the 2-point attempt is no good. Two failed 2-point attempts so far.
Touchback.
And it's going to be another touchback. First down, Strikers. And deep, caught James, touchdown, Strikers. And gonna be incomplete. 2-point attempt is no good for the Strikers. They're gonna kick off to the Bolts, and it's gonna be another touchback. First down, Bolts. Going deep for Julian, and Julian with a great catch. Touchdown, Bolts. This game has been quick and interesting. And caught by Dan. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. First one of the game. Kickoff, and it is a touchback for the Strikers. First down, Strikers. James is going to get past the defender, and it's going to be another touchdown, Strikers. Celebration for James. 2-point attempt for the Strikers. James is open, but so is Bernardo, but Bernardo can't get there. 2-point attempt is no good, so it'll stay a tie game at 20 apiece. Kickoff results in a touchback. First down, Bolts, and they're trying Lion, that trick play. Going deep, and he can't get it to Dan. Too low. Incomplete. Second down. Caught by Julian, but stopped immediately. Third down, Bolts. Jason's got Julian for the first down. First and goal, Bolts. Caught by Julian, touchdown, Bolts. 2-point attempt, can they get it? Jason's looking. Gonna be caught by Julian. 2-point attempt is good.
Let's go.
Yeah, now gonna kick off to the Strikers, and it's gonna be another touchback. First down, Strikers. Jason going deep for Bernardo. Bernardo catches it, but gets stopped. First and goal, Strikers. Go in for James, and it's a touchdown, Strikers. Caught. 2-point attempt is good from Bernardo. They're going to kick it off to the Bolts right now. And it's going to be another touchback. Going for Lion again. Can they get it this time? Nearly got it. Would have been a fingertip pass, but nonetheless, second down for the Bolts. And Jason's looking and can't hang on. Incomplete. Third down, Bolts. They got to do something. Going deep for Julian, and he can't get there. Incomplete. 4th down, Bolts. They don't make a conversion here. Strikers going to get the advantage. Julian gets a seam caught, and it's going to be a touchdown, Bolts. Amazing. 2-point attempt. Can they get the 2-point attempt? Or will it be no good? And great catch by Julian. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. They are now going to kick off to the Strikers, and it's going to be yet another touchback. James has so many touchdowns I've lost count, and he's going to probably get another one. He will. Touchdown, Strikers. Can I get the 2-point attempt? Going for Bernardo, and yes, complete. 2-point attempt is good. Strikers now are going to kick off to the Bolts. And it is going to be another touchback. 1st down, Bolts. Going for Dan, but over. Incomplete. 2nd down, Bolts. Going deep for Dan, but he can't hang on to it. 3rd down, Bolts. Going deep for Julian, and great catch. Touchdown, Bolts. Can he get a seam? Yes, he can. Julian's 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. They're now going to kick it off to the Strikers, and it's going to be another touchback. 1st down, Strikers.
Is that a safety?
Jason looking, going deep for James, and it looks like that might be a pick. No, it is not a pick. Incomplete. 2nd down, Strikers, and nearly caught by James. It is 3rd down, Strikers. Jason looking, going deep for Bernardo, and Bernardo has it. Touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt for the Strikers, and James is going to get it. 2-point attempt is good for the Strikers. They're going to kick it off
Touchback?
to the Bolts. It's going to be another touchback. 1st down, Bolts. Going deep for Dan. Great catch. Gets past James, and it's going to be touchdown, Bolts. Great selling. 2-point attempt for the Bolts. Can they get it? Yes, they can. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. And it's going to be a 1st down for the Strikers, and incomplete. 2nd down. Going for James, and James catches it, but can't get past Dan. 1st and goal. Strikers. Jason's going deep, and he can't get there. Incomplete. 2nd and goal for the Strikers, and it's going to be caught for the touchdown, Strikers, by Bernardo. 2-point attempt for the Strikers is good by James. 2-point attempt is good, and the kickoff is a touchback. 1st and 10, Bolts. Jason going deep, and caught by Dan. Touchdown, Bolts. Praising God. 2-point attempt for the Bolts is no good. No good for the Bolts. They're not going to kick it off to the Strikers, and it's going to be a touchback. Jason going deep for Bernardo. Can't get there. Incomplete. 2nd down, Strikers. Caught by James, and it's going to be a touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt is good. Looked like Devin was filling in for Dan. Dan must have been winded or something. 2-point attempt is good. They're going to kick it off for a touchback. 1st down, Bolts. Julian going in for quarterback. He's gonna go for Dan and nearly caught. Couldn't get his hands on it fully. Second down, Bolts. Going deep for Jason and gets intercepted by Bernardo. Caught by James for the first down, but he's gonna run out of bounds. First and goal, Strikers. Jason looking, nearly picked by Dan. Second and goal for the Strikers. Caught by Bernardo, but can't get past Dan. Third and goal, Strikers. And it is going to be caught by James. Touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt for the Strikers. Can they get a 2-point attempt to be up by 10? Deep for Jason, and yes,
That was it.
2-point attempt is good for the Strikers.
Run it to get the yards. You want the yards.
Dan's trying to get past the defender, but he can't. First down, Bolts. Going for Julian and caught by Julian. Touchdown, Bolts. 2-point attempt for the Bolts and gonna be caught. Great catch by Julian. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. They're gonna kick it off to the Strikers, and it is going to be kicked out of bounds. First down for the Strikers. Bernardo in for QB, looking, and it is going to be caught by Jason. Gets the first down, and Jason's gonna fall, and it's going to be a dead ball. First and goal, Strikers, and it's gonna be caught by James. Touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt is no good for the Strikers, and the second half will start, and the Strikers will get the ball to start the second half, and they will get past the first down, so it is going to be first and goal for the Strikers, and it's going to be caught. Touchdown, Strikers by James. Two-point attempt is going to be. Can they convert and get the 2-point attempt? No, it is no good. 2-point attempt is no good. They're not going to kick it off to the Bolts.
Get it. You want your yards.
Dan has the ball. Can he get past the defenders?
I need it for you guys.
He's going to get past Bernardo.
Did he get it?
No, he won't. He was tagged by Bernardo. But it's going to be first and goal, Bolts. Caught by Dan. Touchdown, Bolts. And they get the 2-point attempt. Be only down by 6. And intended for Julian, but incomplete. No good in the 2-point attempt. They are now going to kick it off to the Strikers. And it's going to be a touchback. First down, Strikers. Going deep for James and nearly caught. Incomplete. Second and goal. Deep for Bernardo. Great defense by Dan. Incomplete. Third and goal. Caught by James. And it is going to be touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt for the Strikers. Can they get this 2-point attempt? And nearly picked by Dan. 2-point attempt, no good. But the Strikers will get the ball back. First down, Strikers. Deep for James. Caught, first down. But he's going to get in there for the touchdown. Strikers. 2-point attempt is good for the Strikers. They're now going to kick it off to the Bolts. It's going to be a touchback
Oh yeah.
for the Bolts. Dan's going to come in for QB. That's a change. Dan looking. Thrown and caught by Julian. First down, but he trips and kneels it down. First and goal, Bolts. And is caught by Dan. Touchdown, Bolts.
Hey, you know what? You guys
2-point attempt for the Bolts.
ready? Side.
And it is good. 2-point attempt is good for the Bolts. Kickoff to the Strikers, and James has the ball, and he's going to kneel it.
They said they're gonna lock in, so.
Can the Strikers get another touchdown? James looking, going, and can't get there. Incomplete. Second down, Strikers going deep, and great catch by James. Touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt for the Strikers.
Oh, you got stuck? Oh, yeah.
Looking, and it is going to be no good. Incomplete. 2-point attempt, no good for the Strikers. Gonna kick it off to the Bolts.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. My bad.
Deep and no good. Second down for the Bolts.
Yeah, we're
The
ready.
Bolts want a chance to win this. They got to get 3 touchdowns and play great defense. Jason going deep, and great catch by Julian. Touchdown, Bolts. Looking, and no good. 2-point attempt is no good for the Strikers. There's going to be a touchback. First down for the Strikers. Going deep and nearly caught by Bernardo. Incomplete. Second down, Strikers. Going deep, and it is nearly picked by Dan. Third down, Strikers.
Oh god.
Caught by James, and is going to be kneeled down. First and goal, Strikers. It's going to be incomplete. Second and goal for the Strikers.
I'm starting in the end zone.
Caught by Bernardo. Touchdown, Strikers. 2-point attempt for the Strikers, and it is going to be caught.
And pics of the game,
First.
like pictures.
Yeah, we could do that, yeah.
2-point attempt is good, and it's going to be
Okay, bro, it's not
a
out.
kickoff to the Bolts, and it's going to be a dead ball. First down, Bolts. Going deep. Great catch by Dan. First and goal, Bolts, and caught by Dan. Touchdown, Bolts. It's going to be caught. No, it won't. 2-point attempt is no good for the Bolts. First down, Strikers. Caught by
guys gotta
James, and
They
he
get-
is
they
going
get the
to
I don't care. It's playoffs.
And they got the record.
Season record. It's a regular season.
walk out of bounds right before he gets the touchdown. No good.
For the record.
And great defense by Dan. And Dan's gonna pick it off. Intercepted, and he is gonna go all the way for a pick six for the Bolts. Touchdown,
So when they got a touchdown.
Bolts. Bolts are right back in this game. Strikers are now gonna kick it off to the Bolts.
Yeah, not to me, bro.
Bolts have a chance. First down, Bolts. Jason going deep, and it is caught. Touchdown, Bolts. But it is not going to be enough because this is the final drive. Even if they get the 2 point, they will be down by 4, and it will be game over. 2 point attempt, final play of the first ever SSFL playoff game. The first of 2 SSFL championship games.
Flag.
The Strikers will move on and will go to the Powerball. Great season for the Strikers. They need one more game to win. And the 2 point attempt is good for the Bolts. And that is the game. Final score 108-104. Hope you guys enjoyed
Good game.
the first ever playoff game. We will see you next Saturday for Knights versus the Wolfpack.